Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now the back of the Range Rover, you see the lettering and things are ugly, so I'm going to, yeah, things here, but this is a bigger problem. The third backlight, brake light. Welcome back. It's in the small garage trying to fix some more things. I have to change the third brake light. They say it's supposed to be kind of easy to move this one down, they say. And yeah, clips are dropping off like flies. This third brake light is completely ruined, and we have to get it out. And as I understand it, I was taking down this part here. All this is going up to some clips. I see break off clips and everything. Just problems. But now I have to take off 1, 2, 3 screws, I say 10mm, to get into loosening the top part. Here they say now it should be able to go backwards. There, much easier, and I don't have a backup camera. Okay. This system is supposed to hang in 4 T20 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have to try to get those out without getting problem. Now the camera can't stand here, but they have 1, 2 more to go. I see on this one, this maybe have been changed before, because this seems to be the wiring to the brake light. So then I have to go in and do some soldering or something to fix this. Yeah, I was hoping it was just a connector. Here I have bought a new light. This one is set up, seems to be with connector. So I think this car, sometimes earlier it had been changed. And then it's a connector. So maybe I have to go and look further in here if this connector is somewhere. You see here clips going down and locking into places. Supposed to be 4 places here. Those was ruined here. Then your screw places. I just have to cut the wire and put in and adapt the other one. Because, yeah, it's not right. There's the new one. I just have to feed the pipe and trying to find it on the inside. Connectors here to go down here and screw after. There. Actually, it seems like it was going in very easy. Okay. Then Because the connectors have to go in. Somewhere here. And then no, I'll put in the 4 screws here first, of course. Stupid me. I can't hold the camera and do it at the same time, but you know, 1, 2, 3, 4. There, that one is back. Now I have to get this connector here to go in the hole there, on both sides. Don't go in too far either, because then I can't get to open it. Also, some way or another, I have to find where that wire is coming. There. It would have been so much easier if I just had an adapter and could just connect it straight up. Since this exists. Yeah. This is the old wire was in there. Now I just have to make. I could have taken and connected directly in here. Blue and brown. That is blue and brown. Maybe I just do that. Take it off a little more here and keep the connectors. Just have to see what I have of tools here. Should I get 12 voltage from something and just connect into this wire and see? But okay. There! We're in! Luckily! The catastrophic thing from yesterday was this. I would like to have this been able to just go right in, but it didn't. But then I just have to go in and put in, maybe take a part of this and put it up there and can put it in. Yeah, I think I have to look for that. Yeah, I just taken off connection here. I want to use this plug and then just solder those into place and put on crimp on the outside, and then it should be okay. There, put on crimp far up here, put on soldering paste, what do you call it? Tin, I call it in Norway, on both wires, and I just solder them together. Yeah, I was missing some fingers, so I was burning my fingers instead. Now I just have to get the crimp outside here and heat it up, and it should be good. There, heat wrapped in, so I have the wires that was coming with it. Now the only thing that's left here now is try to check it. How can I do that? Let's see. Put the camera here and try to go on the front and get into the car and try to put on the brake. I forgot to put on the light again, of course, but you guys saw if it was working before me, so now I just have to stop the video and check. Yeah, luckily it was working, so I don't have to stress more of that. Then I just have to put up the wires. Get those wires in here. And then we have the screws in the back here. You see we have one 10mm here that is broken, one there and one here. Yep. There, I think it's sitting as it should. Probably. Then I can try to put on this again. It was dirty, so I was thinking to clean it, but I see that I need to clean more inside here, so I'll just do it later. My clips are broken off. Yeah, that's how you fix the backlight, but not how you get ruined or dried up plastic to get up. So you have to see. But at least now the light is working. That's good. Now I don't have to think more about that wire. Just have to think about the cover, and the old the screw here is ruined. Yeah, okay. But at least I finished what I was hoping to, but I didn't finish this one like I was hoping to. I ruined at least, or maybe they was more or less broken off, but at least two more I think was very bad, and they just got ruined now. Yeah, okay. There's nothing I can do with that for the moment. So, at least we can close this. And we can take off this. And we have a light. I have one screw up here that is ruined. I should have taken off the whole cover here and painted it, because it's some damage up here too, that I think was from before. So that I can look at later, not now. For today I'm finished. Really finished. Finished with plastic clips. Yeah, thank you. I hope you see how it was working with the light. And then you see the problem with this, the system for holding it up here. But that I have to find a different way of fixing, so I'll come back with that later. So yeah, hope you liked the video and that you learned something. Thank you. Please come back. Please start following the channel and put a like if you like the video. Thank you.